Hello friends! Let's continue our story about our winter expedition to Arkhangelsk. So, after the meeting in Helsinki, we easily drove on Scandinavian roads to the Russian border. Our first destination was Kostamuksha town. On the first evening in Russia, we had a small dinner to celebrate successful border crossing. On the next day, we were shopping winter clothes. Best winter clothes are manufactured only in countries where it's really cold, in Scandinavia or in Russia. For example, I had a great Canadian jacket, but in Siberia I froze in the jacket. In the shop for hunters and fishers, you can buy winter boot with spikes on special 6 cm thermal insulated sole. Ready for -70 Celsius. At least that's what was written on this shoe. Price is only €40. Almost all participants of our expedition made purchases lately. Others greatly regret that they did not do the same. We headed east inside Russia. We passed highways, snow roads, and went through tiny forest ways. In some places, it was necessary to put snow chains on wheels. We saw amazing vehicles by which people traveled here. People here were really friendly, and even Russian dogs were friendly, especially to our female dogs. We drove to Valday village. It's a west base of the Valday National Park. On this road we had our first adventure. During filming we drove into a ditch.
Shit. Shit, here we got stuck. Well, it goes quickly, yeah. And I did it, yeah.
And you know what's the problem? We cannot turn four-wheel drives.
You didn't switch it on, yeah?
Yeah, sure, it's off.
Oh no, it's like, oh, you are in here. Yeah. I switched off the engine for a moment, yeah. First time lovely experience, but it was man-made. It was made by the driver and by the man beside me because we made silly things. And you should not make silly things. So we're lucky that nothing, it's like just snow and some work to do to get it out, but of course we will find. Of course in such situation still it's nothing dangerous, have to get the back safe that nobody can crash in our car because they may drive also crazy. And then we start with our winch to get out the car. Just a lot of trees around and one in the back, which sometimes works, sometimes not, and the other one in the front, which hopefully will work. And so the next thing what we will do, we just take out the shovel, get rid of the snow, then we'll open the trunk and then just switch on the winch, so it's quite easy. And we are together, which makes everything easier. That's enough for the moment. Now I start working.
Luckily, we weren't injured, the car was absolutely right, and road service guys on the heavy truck helped us. However, we had shovels, 2 winches on the car, so basically we had everything to get out of the ditch on our own. In a few hours we reached Valday, where people showed us how to walk on the water surface. It's a simple, but at the same time remarkable activity. In the morning, we went for ice fishing.
Now we're on the depth of Russia. Valday, lovely place in Karelia. Most probably won't have a lot of tourists here, but a lot of natural experiences. We're on a lake, it's quite safe, not so cold, and it's an interesting experience to see how ice fishing is going on. Yeah, first thing is you got to drill the hole, then you have to, then you start the fishing process. For us, a lovely experience. Of course, we need patience, we need time, but we have it for the day. We just enjoy the huge, the lovely nature here. Even if it's cold, we feel very warm.
After ice fishing, we cooked on fire a local fish soup with 3 different types of fish. In the evening, we had a dinner inside the real Russian rural house. The fish soup was amazing.